Adding a new service to your business can feel overwhelming, but if it's done correctly, it will free up your time, it'll help you connect more with your customers, and you will make more money in less time. Who wouldn't want that? This is not about the money at all, in any way. This is about leaving a legacy behind. I will show you how doing scalp micropigmentation can transform your life like it did mine in less than a year. Let me tell you, I'm a single mom. I built a business in less than a year during a pandemic, and I'm succeeding. What is success to you? For me, success is having work and life balance, having a quality life, being able to provide for my family, and not be a slave to work. Doesn't that sound nice? Let me show you the blueprint that I created and mastered, because it's not all about just knowing the technique. It's a whole combination. And I have everything written down to show you. So why don't you sign up today? Let's go.